Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a 57 Chevy Bel Air Convertible, a very special feature under the hood, fuel injection. Give you the details in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, the home to close to 100 classic and collectible cars and trucks that are available for sale at any given time, ranging all the way back from the cars in the 20s all the way up into the 70s and beyond, so the muscle cars to the classics. But today we're going to talk about a very, very special car, and you're going to want to watch the video from start to finish because this thing is just absolutely beautiful, because we'll do a cold start with a fuel injection, starts up like a charm, and show you more of the details with our walk around and whatnot. So watch the entire video from start to finish. Now you can see all of our cars that are for sale and vehicles that are for sale at our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. So if you want to look at our latest arrivals, newest additions, and current inventory in stock, take a look at our website. I'm sure you'll find something there that you'll like. But today we're going to talk about our latest acquisition, as I mentioned before, in 1957 fuel injected 283 Chevrolet. I tell you what a horsepower performance car back in 1957. It was just kind of the beginning of all the muscle cars and all that kind of stuff. And when you've seen this, if you pulled alongside of a car that had fuel injection on it, you know this guy was serious and that he was performance orientated. But yet it's actually very simplistic. It runs and drives just fine. But once you put your foot on the floor, gives you a lot of horsepower. Anyway, you're looking at a absolutely beautiful car in its original color. It has its original Matador Red color, beautiful chrome. Everything on this car has been done. And even just to prove that, this car actually at one time was an AACA first place car. So it is really, really well done. You get your first trophy with the car, we'll give it to you with the car if you purchase it, and then you can get all the more yourself when you go to the local car shows. But take a look at the details in the engine compartment, correct fuel injection unit in there. Car does even have power steering, which is really, really one of those nice features even on these old cars of this vintage. I mean, it's just, they've got the big steering wheel, but power steering just makes it just a little more pleasant to drive and park. The other thing about this car, look at the beautiful wide whites, which would be correct for 1957 with the spinner hubcaps and whatnot. So you have absolutely the way this car came in 1957. Take a look at the interior of this car. That is also correct with the original red and silver interior. Beautiful steering wheel, horn ring, and all original instrumentation still in place. No one has, guess what, cobbled it up or started to cut things up or do any of that kind of stuff. Just very, very the way the car came in 1957. Original radio and clock as well. But yeah, it's beautiful interior. It's just the way it came from the factory. Nice boot as well. And of course, it's got the gold trim, so it is the V8. Obviously, was more than a power pack car, dual exhaust even on this car. You can find all of our cars on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. You know, give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. I'm sure you'll find something there that you'll find intriguing or interesting. More details on this car perhaps, and many of our others that we currently have in stock and have had in the past as well. So if you're cruising the internet, take a look. You might find some interesting information. But no, if you're looking for a car that really, really says something, 57 Chevys are probably one of the most iconic cars that ever has been produced. Everybody has seen them, love them, whatever. But maybe you need one of these in your collection. You might have always dreamed of it. Well, we have it right here at Ellingson's for you to come and take a look at in person if you're so inclined. We don't discourage that. If you want to come on down, we're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5 and Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. So if you're like me, kind of want to put your hand on it and get a feel for it, it's right here in person. Power top, by the way, I should always mention that. People ask that all the time. And that is one of the features that's really nice. In the event you do happen to get caught out in the rain or whatever, it looks threatening, because, you know, convertibles, the top should be down 99% of the time if you're out there doing it. And it is just one of those things, and with the pull of a switch, you got the convertible top up and in place. Very, very nice. I did mention that it does have the gold V in it, so you know that this car is a V8 with the gold 3 things on the front fenders as well and on the back. So yeah, if you're looking for a really, really neat car to add to your collection, you're looking for something different that you've been dreaming about for a long, long time, and you want a really, really well done car, we've got it right here at Ellingson's, and you can come and take a look. Like I said, we're open 6 days a week. So come on down, take a look. I'm sure you'll enjoy.